titles. A powerful command to insert titles for your drawings and common text. Just select text from custom lists. Titles create their layers automatically. Command comes with a bilingual dialog. Select user or English language to fill lists. On the left list, in uppercase, are the drawing titles. On the right list, in lowercase, are rooms or spaces names. Lists are editable. Select a list to edit in Notepad. Do not change the first 3 lines on top. Add, remove, or edit text and save lists according your needs. Select on, off, alphabetic button to change lists text order. Select a predefined text, from uppercase or lowercase list, to insert into your drawing. Selected text from the lists is placed in text box. Ready to type more text or type new text. Preset properties for uppercase. Width 0.8. Angle 0. Layer to AN titles and style to titles text. Preset properties for lowercase. Height to 0.22. Width 1. Angle 0. Layer to AN titles and style to text titles. Select and set values for height. Select and set values for height, width, and angle for new text. All text values, adjust their properties according to drawing scale. Select underline type. Single line. Double line. Or shade. Scale word, enters drawing scale. Default button, reset all values. Enter text easy, with constant properties.